Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the QR file and confirming its contrast. This matters because color changes rely on black pixels as mask. Once opened, unlock the background and convert the QR layer to a smart object so edits stay reversible. Make sure the QR is pure black on transparent or white. If not, use levels or threshold to clean it up. You want a crisp mask before coloring, because any gray will create semi-transparent artifacts when you fill with color. Now add a solid color fill layer and immediately clip it to the QR layer so the color only affects the code. You can pick CMYK or RGB values. Choose a high contrast color to preserve scannability. Set blending to normal for opaque fills, or try multiply if you kept a white background. If edges look harsh, paint on the layer mask with a soft brush at low opacity to refine. Once done, use smart filters to non-destructively blur or sharpen if necessary. To finish, flatten a copy for export but keep the layered PSD. Export a PNG with transparency or a high-quality JPEG. Make sure no heavy compression introduced blur. Always test the QR with your phone and a scanner after each export because aesthetics can break functionality. If scanning fails, revert color layer to pure black to confirm the code itself is intact. Then increase contrast or reduce color saturation. You may need to simplify the color or widen module contrast to restore reliable scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.